Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this macrame pot. For this project you need a jute cord, gorilla glue, scissor and brush and hot glue. For this project I'm going to cut 4 feet long one rope. I need total 22 rope for this project and this is the first one. I'm going to cut 4 feet long, and when I'm going to double this rope it's going to be 2 feet long. My pot is 8-inch long, that's why this is okay for me. But when you cut your rope, please cut according to your part size. For me, 4 feet long one and double 2 feet long is okay because my part size require that. This is my pot and I'm going to start making it. In the beginning, I'm going to wrap one rope on top of this pot and I'm going to make very loose knot because I have to open this knot after adjusting all my 22 ropes into this rope. And after that I'm gonna start making my macrame pot, and I'm gonna make this with square macrame knot. I accidentally delete my video where I make the macrame square knot. That's why in this video you're not gonna learn how to make macrame square knot, but you're too gonna learn how to make this pot. And please don't be upset for that. All you have to do is type in YouTube how to make macrame square knot and you'll have more than enough tutorial to learn how to make macrame knot. Even some people make in different languages. If you don't understand English, you can learn in your language too. After that, watch and learn how I make this project. When time comes to use gorilla glue, I'll explain you why I use gorilla glue and why it's pretty important to use gorilla glue in this project. I finished my part and now I'm going to use Gorilla Glue into 1 tablespoon of water. I use 1 tablespoon of water and 1.5 tablespoon of Gorilla Glue. I'm going to mix this both together and I'm going to apply this mixture on top of the macrame pot. Why I did that? Because Gorilla Glue acts like plastic after drying. It's gonna make my jute cord really strong, strong enough to face the water. Why? Because I'm going to plant my flower into this pot after making it. So I'm gonna water them every day. They're gonna get wet and jute cord is not that strong. It cannot face water every day. So this Gorilla Glue is gonna make it enough strong so it can stay for a long time. If you don't have Gorilla Glue or you don't want to use Gorilla Glue, then I highly recommend you to not to use hot glue on this project. Why? Because hot glue cannot stand front of hot weather. So if you don't want to use Gorilla Glue, then I'll recommend you to use different kind of glue on this project so you can put this pot outside into sunshine. This part is almost complete. Now I'm going to start second step. Second step is very easy. All you have to see and learn how I make this. And this is my final project. If you have any other question, please let me know about it. And thanks for watching.